So in this one, we want to simplify. And again, if I go back to my order of operations, the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of my parentheses. So to do that, I'm going to use my power of a quotient. So I'm going to distribute that exponent to everything inside the parentheses. Now, I'm going to start off and just take care of the top first. So we'll cover up the bottom. So that -1 has to go to the x, and it also has to go to the y to the third. And so I'm going to multiply, and that becomes y to the -3. Now I'm going to write down what I have on the bottom. So is what I have left simplified? The answer is no. I have negative exponents. I have a base of an x on the top and the bottom, and a base of a y on the top and the bottom. I only want to see that x appear once and the y appear once. So again, in this problem I'm dividing. Because I'm dividing, then I'm going to apply my rule that says if I have the same base, to subtract my exponents. So I'm going to take this 2 and I'm going to cover it up for a minute and maybe pull it off to the side, and since it's a 2 in the denominator, I'm going to call that 1/2. So then it becomes 1/2 times x to the -1 minus 4, and then y to the -3 minus -1. So -1 minus 4 becomes x to the -1 plus a -4, and then -3 minus 1 becomes -3 plus a +1. So then that becomes x to the -5, y to the -3, and then I still have this 1/2 in front. So is this simplified? And the answer is, oh, sorry, -3 plus 1 is -2. Helps if I get my math right. So is this simplified? The answer is no. You still have negative exponents. You're not allowed to have negative exponents. So we are going to apply the move it to lose it. So now all of these are going to go to the bottom. And so I'm going to have the 1 on the top. The 2 is still on the bottom. Then it becomes x to the 5th y squared. So now, is it simplified? The answer is yes, it is simplified. I have the base of the 2, I have the base of the x and the base of the y. I only see it appear once. No more negative exponents, no parentheses. So my final simplified answer is 1/2x to the 5th y squared.